bringing you the Ideas to Action webinar series featuring private equity and venture capital funds. We have a representative from a fund and one from a portfolio company. While I was actually reading through some material, not specifically for this webinar, but in general about what's going around, it actually makes for some really interesting reading. When we compare the global financial crisis of 2008-9 with what's happening today, especially on deal making, on exit, on fundraise, and on returns. So without much ado, let me introduce the panelists here. Prajod Rajan, Eurokids needs no introduction. Hi, Prajod. Prajod is the founder and group CEO of Eurokids, which has grown from two preschools in 2011 to 1,000 plus across 360 towns and cities in India, Nepal, and Bangladesh. Prajod, welcome to the webinar. Pleasure to have you here. The second panelist, Ajay, is a director with KKR, a leading global private equity firm. I'm sure almost everyone has heard of KKR. Ajay has been involved with several of KKR's investments, including TVS Logistics, Magma FinCorp, Avendus Capital, and Eurokids. Ajay, pleasure having you as a panelist for the webinar. Welcome.
Pleasure to be a part of the panel.
Ajay and Prajod, again, getting into the discussion, opening comments, if any, from each one of you. So, Ajay, would you want to go first?
Thanks for that, Deepak. I think, look, it's funny. Everybody says this about recessions and about what is right and what is wrong. You don't sort of know it until you see it, but when you see it, you really feel it, and you know when it hits you. I don't think we are in recession territory yet, but for those of us who unfortunately have the gray hair to have seen a past few global crisis, be it GFC, be it the dot-com bust, all of that, there are similarities and differences between some of those and what we are seeing now. So some extension, therefore, some learnings, as well as some prior mistakes that all of us have learned from. So happy to share our 2 pence with this group.
Excellent. Prajod, opening comments from you.
Thank you, Deepak. Thanks, my CFO team, for having me. Happy to share at least what I could see from my prism of experiences. I must though add that what we are witnessing right now is pretty unprecedented. So in that sense, anything that probably I would put out is just everyday, daily adjustments, realignments to the facts that's going around per se, and some of our experiences of having dealt with not similar crisis, but at least some elements of crisis. That's really what I'm hoping to contribute to this this gathering today. And I was just sharing with you, I guess, till about few weeks back, I guess no one even heard the word called Zoom as much as we use today. These are the the unprecedented changes that has really happened with all of us here. But happy to be here and happy to share more than anything.
Thanks.